Hey, what is up, guys? Quick video here where I'm going to show you. This is one of my accounts, so I have many accounts, and um, this is the one of the newest ones. Okay, and these are the stats for the last 30 days. So let me refresh this just so you can see it is not a screenshot, so you can see the numbers there. And so what we're looking at here, you can see that and we shouldn't worry about impressions. Impressions doesn't mean anything. This is what a lot of people are selling you online is, oh, you'll get that many views. Well, it doesn't pay the bills, okay? What you want is the number of outbound clicks, not the number of clicks on your pin or likes and comments, how many people actually click out and go to your money stuff. And you can see every single day here, we have about, I will say maybe 120 people on average who are going out. So obviously today you can see the number of clicks is because of the date. So it's for today, but these are the stats for yesterday, which was 209, okay? And this thing is growing. You can see that my impressions with my strategy are growing, but again, this is a vanity metric. What I'm interested in is the number of people who are actually clicking on my stuff, okay? So this is live stats, guys, right? So I'm not the type of person who's gonna show you screenshots and stuff, you know? I like to show you the real data. And so one thing that we can do as well, we can actually do we can do a breakdown in here of the age range, for example, right? Just to see so for example, these are not like kids, you know, so I have a breakdown, and guys, this is free traffic, okay? It's completely free traffic. I do not have to pay for ads. So I know a lot of people say, well, you can make money with ads. Obviously you can make money with ads. A lot of people use ads, and if it works for them, then that's good for them. Here's one thing that I do is every single one of the pins that I create is here to stay. I'm still making money from pins that I made 5 years ago. And with your ads, the second you stop the ad, everything stops. Here in this case, it keeps growing all the time. They are timeless. It's like YouTube. If you type how to brush your teeth, you can have a video from 4 years ago that people are still gonna see, okay? So that is the power of Pinterest. It's insane, okay? So guys, anyway, if you're interested, you know, the point is I'm just sharing my stats with you guys. If some of you guys are interested in seeing how that works, then please comment below, and I will make sure to reach out and send you the information. All right, awesome, bye.